I thought it was worth recording about the beginning of my ActionScript coding. As you can see here, this one line of code, if up.hit test, is basically everything that makes my scrolling work, and I've spent the last 2 days trying to figure out how to do this. As an example, so you can see it working. I should publish it. See it in progress. My custom scroll bar down here, up and down, up, goes up, a little bit slow with the recording on, but it starts off quickly and then slows down, as you can see, so it sort of has this gradient effect to it. I might try and untie it from the timeline, since that could slow it down in the future. But to do this, I had everything figured out already. I had my variables already defined for scroll speed, scroll lock and scroll jump. Scroll lock basically defines so that it can't keep running. The more times you click it, it just resets itself. Scroll speed I can change in one place up here, so that it will either start off faster or start off slower. And again, the gradient works properly because this if statement here, else if statement. First of all, it checks the first speed barrier. Once it breaks that, it divides it by the scroll jump speed, which is how it slows down. Once it gets above 25 speed, below 45 speed, it then changes the modifier again and starts jumping less. So it starts slowing down how fast it slows down. And then after that, it goes here and it starts going down single pixels at a time every frame, which is why it seems to slow to a stop. And once it's slowed to 0, it resets the speed back to 0, so that it can never be below 0, because I've had it going backwards before. And it relocks it again as well. And this little bit here just makes sure that it moves content 5, which is the content area it applies to, at the relevant scroll speed. Once I apply these to all the rest of them, I should be able to put this in the onPress handler instead, and have it as a separate function that I can call from any of them. So they all call one function, and the actual name of what it's identifying and the way it affects it will all be set for just that particular thing. So it hasn't got to have bulk code everywhere, just one line. It's a major breakthrough, as I said, and I'll hopefully get more working soon, including the larger scroll bar. Thank you very much.